Hi everyone, welcome to another Walk4ALZ website video tutorial. As a reminder, these video tutorials are accessible on the event website under the Forms and Tutorials tab right here near the top. There you can find all the website video tutorials that we are going to be posting, including how to register for Walk, how to use your fundraising page, and some other videos that are going to be posted there to help you better understand how to use the website, the features, including fundraising and some other things that might be helpful to you. But today, our video is going to be about your profile and how to make changes to it. So first thing we're going to do is log in. So we're going to log in with the email and password that we use to register. And once logged in, I should make a differentiation between your fundraising page and your profile. So this is your fundraising page. We're not going to be going over that in this video. That's another topic that's covered in another video. We're actually going to be going to our profile. And to access our profile, we're going to go near the top right here where the initials of our name are going to be. Right there, it's gonna, if you hold your mouse and hover over this little circle over here, it's gonna say profile. So we're gonna click that, and then we're gonna click profile. This is the profile, your profile for Walk4ALZ. It includes 4 different tabs: profile, payments, my impact, and notifications. Basically, it's just a way to administer your account and make changes to it. So we're going to go step by step. First thing we're going to show you how to do is how to change your profile photo. So right here where the initials are right next to your name and right next to your email, if you click on that little camera, it gives you the option of selecting a photo for you to use. All you have to do is simply select the photo, just like what I did right now. Make the adjustments on how you would like the photo to be seen, and then click the check mark, and you have your photo. Just keep in mind, because of the placement of the logo, this might be blocking how your profile appears on this page, but as you can see near the top right, it should show the full image that's in the square. So just keep that in mind. If we scroll further down, once we've added our profile photo, and again, you can make changes to this if you want to change your mind about the photo that you want to use. But moving down towards the profile tab, you can see your account login information and personal information. Your account login is just your email address and password. If you wanted to make changes to this, like if you wanted to switch to another email or update your password, you can do that just by clicking update to each of those fields. You just simply have to enter your password and type in your new email address that you'd like to use, and then just click save to confirm the changes. Right below that, there is an option to review and make changes to your personal information, such as your name, your address, and your phone number as well. So you can make changes to either one of these. Most of the time, people elect to keep this the same or make not make changes to it, but you might choose to make some updates if it's necessary. The next tab is payments. This is simply an overview of payments that you've made. This might include transactions from previous years that you've participated in Walk. So if you do see those donations, those will show up right here as well. My impact is simply a summary of kind of like your entire fundraising efforts for not just this current year, but past years as well, such as the total amount that you contributed, how much you raised, how many people contributed to your goal, and the total amount of contributions. Notifications, this is just simply to mark how you get notifications. You can uncheck the previous year's walks since those have already passed, but I would recommend just including getting notifications from this year just so you don't miss out on any updates and you can receive all the information that are sent through those transactions or whenever those transactions are made. So this kind of gives you a little bit more description of what those type of notifications would be. Specifically, you will receive an email whenever you receive a donation, when you reach a goal, for team captains when you receive a donation, when someone joins your team, and when your team reaches a goal, and for other campaign updates. So again, I would highly recommend keeping this checked. That way anytime somebody makes a donation or joins your team, you can keep track of that as well. And that's basically it. So that's your profile. There's not much to it, just a few simple um, settings for you to be aware of and how to make changes to it, but that's about it. Thank you for watching and have a great day.